This tutorial is going to show you how to do a basic destructive edit. The first thing I'm doing is opening up my background image, and then I'm going to go over to my background layer and unlock it. Then I'm going to go get another file and place embedded. Once I find my file, I'm going to choose it and then go up and select the checkbox or check mark to place it. This is going to automatically come in as a smart object. Since I'm going to cut the background out of this, I can't have a smart object because smart objects won't allow that. So I'm right-clicking and I'm going to rasterize the layer. The next thing that I'm going to do is go get one of the selection tools. In this case, I'm using the Object Selection tool. Once I've surrounded my object and click Enter, I get a pretty good selection, but the little middle part is left unselected. So I'm going to go get my Quick Selection tool and change that to minus and click in that little extra area and subtract it from my selection. Then, because I have my tulip selected, I'm going to go up to the Select drop-down menu and click Inverse, and I will now be cutting the background out. And that's how to do a very simple destructive edit.